Studio 10.
Welcome back. Well, this cold and flu season, y'all, has been one of the worst in years, and unfortunately, cases are still spiking. Cleaning your house can help stop the spread of the flu, and today we're going to learn more of some of those key places in your home where germs may be hiding. We have Kayla Poulos from Two Maids and a Mop. She's the office manager there in Daphne. Good morning.
Thank you for having us.
Yeah, we're really excited that you are here. Now, we are not excited to talk about the cold and flu, but unfortunately, we have got to because, like we said, it's one of the worst in years. We're talking about a lot of different products today, but first, if our friends aren't familiar with your company, tell me a little bit about it.
Absolutely. So we are a residential cleaning company located in Daphne. We clean Baldwin County, and then we do offer our deep clean services in Mobile.
Yeah, so tell me a little bit about how that process works. If someone wants to reach out to you to get, some deep cleaning done, whether that be in a bathroom, a living room, a bedroom, how does that work?
Absolutely. So they can visit twomaidsdaphne.com or give me a call at 251-308-5400, and we'd be glad to get them on the schedule. It is spring cleaning, so time for deep cleaning, getting all those germs out.
Yeah, correct about that. Now we've got some products here. I want you to kind of walk me through them and how they help you guys when you're cleaning.
Absolutely. So we have a couple cleaners. We have our NABC, which is also known as non-acidic bathroom cleaner. So what we use in your bathroom to help get rid of the germs. They are hospital grade disinfectants. And then we have a peroxide based cleaner that we use in your kitchen. So that will definitely get rid of all the germs that you have in there.
Yeah. Also, I see a duster in here, a few wipes, it looks like a few scrubbers here and there, a window thing, some rags. So all of these are super important when you're cleaning your home. Now, our friends at home can kind of get in on a little giveaway that you guys are doing pretty soon.
Absolutely. So if you book a new clean in the next week, we will enter you into a drawing for a free 2-hour design with time.
Now, tell me about this design by time package. It's a little different. You can customize it, right?
Absolutely. So it is a custom clean. We're there for 2 full hours, and then you get to decide what parts of your home you'd like to have clean.
Wow. And then obviously we want to talk about the home. I'm sure you do deep cleaning for the whole home, but do you have different packages that our friends at home can kind of look at if they're just wanting, maybe their living room deep cleaned for a party coming up or something like that?
Absolutely. So that design with time would be where you would, if you want certain areas of your home clean, we do offer the top to bottom clean. We also offer maintenance cleaning, so if you want your home clean on a regular basis, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, we offer those services as well.
And this is such a great gift, too, if you want to give it to someone. Mother's Day, Father's Day coming up.
Baby showers.
Baby showers, keep that in mind. Everyone loves a clean home. That's definitely something that I would want. So if you need to get in contact with them, you're seeing all the information on your screen there. Go ahead and give them a call. If they need more information online, where can they find it at?
twomaidsdaphne.com.
All right, Kayla, well, thank you so much. We'll have all that information on fox10tv.com. Coming up, we're headed back to Rouse's with dietitian April. She's working on that black bean stir-fry noodles.